Good morning, guys. It is Sunday now, November 19th, day 2 of 2 for youth deer season here in Ohio. And as we were driving up at the park where Wyatt's getting his shotgun loaded and stuff, we saw a doe. But first of all, we were in the truck, so obviously we couldn't do anything about that. But it was like literally 2 or 3 minutes before 30 minutes to sunrise. So unfortunately, either way, we couldn't have done anything. But had we been in our blind 10 minutes earlier, we probably would have seen her walk right in front of us. But yeah, so here we are, day 2. It was day 2 last year that Wyatt got his 10-point buck, so we're hoping for similar luck. We got out here just a little late, got a late start this morning. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the sun's a little bit higher than it was when we got out here yesterday. Look at our backpack. Yeah, I think. Alright, so we're going to start heading to our blind. When we first entered the wildlife area, I saw 3 deer out in a harvested cornfield. They love that stuff. When we opened up Jeremy last year, he had so much corn in his stomach. Yeah. Get the blind open. Guys, this is us for the next several hours. So we'll see if we can't get lucky and have another one stroll right in front of the blind. Oh, it's about 8:20. We've been in the blind for about an hour and a half or so. Decided to step out and take a look. Obviously the sun is full force right now. We haven't really heard much or seen anything. Since we've been in the blind. We're just kind of getting out here to stretch and take a look around. Now across the street there is property. It's state-owned property, but we can't. It's a permit only. And that's where that doe was walking, like literally right here across the street. When we pulled in, I mean, it had to walk right in front of the blind. But it was on that side of the road. So we couldn't have shot it anyway. Plus, it was a couple minutes before sunrise. Or 30 minutes, sunrise, whatever. keep walking, or what do you want to do? Well, unfortunately, we didn't get anything. We just wrestled that deer blind. It was about as comical getting it down as it was putting it up. But yeah, it's almost 9 o'clock now in the morning, and like I said, we're not diehard deer hunters, so we're just gonna pack it in and call that the youth deer season 2023. But we had fun getting up early, watching the sunset. Brought some snacks with us. Got to have some father-son bonding time, so it was worth it. Like I said, even if we didn't get anything, it's still cool being out here doing man things, spending time with him and relaxing. That's what it's all about. So yeah, I guess this will probably be the last hunting video we do until next year. But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys on the motorcycle or the shore of a creek or pond or whatever next time we get together. We are going to try to fit another night of camping or two in before it gets cold. I'd love to do some cold weather camping, so hopefully we can get that coordinated in the next couple weeks or so. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us the last couple days, and I guess we'll talk at you guys later. Have a good rest of your weekend.